The minute I walked in the door, I was amazed at how beautiful the building was, all the decor.
It was like walking into a grand hotel. That's what attracted me. Here at the Grove, there's so many amenities. The pool is amazing. I love that pool.
I really enjoyed the billiards room. We play poker several times in a week.
The movie theater, Fridays they show a feature and they have popcorn candy.
It's a fitness center that has pretty much every piece of equipment that we need.
I've never done yoga in my life, and now I'm doing yoga in the mornings.
There's so much to offer. You'll never be bored.
You just walk out your door and you're going to meet someone in the hallway or downstairs in the social area. Super easy to meet people here.
The social club is right there by the lobby. We like to go there and gather with all of our neighbors. It's just so nice to be able to get together like that.
The location, it's great because you can go to the theater, which is right across the street.
I've never seen so many restaurants as here with awesome food and fresh seafood. We are a 5-minute drive to the beach. There's all kinds of hiking paths and places you can ride a bicycle in there. This place is a wonderful area to live.